Resistors are essential components in electronics, crucial for controlling electric current and ensuring the functionality of circuits. They serve various purposes, primarily limiting current to protect sensitive components like LEDs, transistors, and integrated circuits from damage due to excessive current. When a resistor is connected in series with a load, such as an LED, it divides the voltage across the load and the resistor according to Ohm's law, which states that the voltage V across a resistor equals the current I through it multiplied by its resistance, R. This relationship is expressed by the formula V IXR, enabling calculations for the required resistance to achieve a specific voltage drop. Understanding resistors is fundamental for anyone working with electronics, as they not only help in circuit protection, but also shape the behavior of electronic devices. The tutorial emphasizes the importance of resistors and includes a hands-on project to reinforce this knowledge. By grasping the basic principles of how resistors operate, enthusiasts can enhance their circuit design skills and avoid common mistakes, such as incorrect connections that can lead to circuit failures.
Visit our website, prometeo.blog, to read the full article and many more. All our micro tutorials and comparisons can be read in Spanish and English. They have an integrated learning quiz, and you will have access to a ChatGPT teacher specialized in electronics, computer science, and artificial intelligence.